Hello, this is Yogini from Mumbai, and I've come all the way from there to experience spiritual bliss and divinity in Almora. We are at Kasar just now, and it's truly magical. And everybody should, I recommend everybody that they should participate in this kind of retreats so that they can connect with their original divinity and also visit all these unknown temples which we are not aware of, like Jageshwar temple, which is so powerful. The vibration there has to be experienced, especially on these mountains. Everything is so pure and blissful. I think that is what one should look at and look forward to in life.
So how was your 5 days experience? Like what all you did? If you want to share, you can share.
Okay, when we came here, the first day we had a introduction with each other, and since we were unknown to each other, most of us were known, while some of them were new to the group. So we had a very nice dinner. Over dinner, we had a nice introduction, and it was a nice interaction, and we came to know each other. And the second day, we went to the Kasar Devi temple, which is believed to be Katyayani Mata has uh, come over here after killing two demons, Nishumba and Shumba. It is doubt and self-doubt, which means doubt and self-doubt. So we have to eliminate these kind of tendencies that we have within us of doubt and self-doubt. That's when we can progress in life and elevate ourselves. And we also did Ganesh Puja. Since 7th of September was Ganesh Chaturthi day, we performed a puja, and we also did some Rudrabhishek in Shiv temple. And following that, we did some meditation, open air meditation, and all the five elements were included in different forms of meditation which Anjali ma'am taught us. One was the air, where we did in open air. Then we went to Balta waterfalls where we did the water meditation, and in the Havan we had the fire element, and air, water, fire,
Space.
element. We went up on the terrace and we just lied down and looking at the sky, and experiencing and the expansion within us when we just looked at the sky, which we never get to do when we are busy in our lives. So that was a different experience. I think everyone should experience this kind of bliss, and it was superb.
So
And the
what
other
would
other activities which ma'am conducted were self healing, self love methods, which was out of this world. I mean, first time I experienced this kind of meditation techniques, and I'm surely going to practice it, and I continue to do it when I get back home.
So in one sentence, if you would love to say something, or what would you carry along the learnings or the entire thing from here? What would be that?
Learnings would be that we learn to bond. We learn to bond with strangers, and we connect on soul to soul level. And also we merge with the nature around us and learn a lot from nature, how to be tolerant, how to be loving, and always giving. The giving aspect of nature, that is what I learned. And we always it is there within us, but we need to tap it more. That's what I feel.
So overall, how would you rate this experience, the entire retreat experience?
It is beyond 10 points. From 1 to 10, I would say it is beyond 10 points. Everybody, I think each and everyone should come and experience it to understand what we are trying to, speak. So it can only be experienced. We cannot express it in words. The kind of experiences we have had. We saw the rainbow. We saw the mountains. Every day was a new sunrise, and with the beautiful mountain settings, beautiful flowers. Oh my God, how many colors and varieties of flowers with the monkeys, and it was fun. Really enjoyed it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thanks.
ma'am.